Ather Energy, the Bengaluru-based manufacturer of electric scooters, plans to install more than 2,500 grids by the end of this year. Until now, the company has installed over 1,000 fast charging stations in 80 cities across the country. To facilitate a hassle-free transition to EVs, electric two-wheeler maker Ather Energy is mulling over installing over 2,500 charging stations by the end of 2023. The Bengaluru-based company claims that Ather Grid charging station is today the biggest fast charging network for two-wheeler EVs in the country, with 60% of current installations in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. The company has also installed grids across cities to enable intercity rides. Ather recently introduced the Ather Neighborhood Charging Initiative, which provides access to charging stations in public areas, including corporate buildings, tech parks, and residential complexes.
Let the world hear about your brand through Channel IAM.